Today we're bringing you Supcase's Unicorn Beetle line of cases for the Galaxy Note 9, sponsored by the Tech Gentleman. His YouTube link will be in the description. What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and again, like I said, we're sponsored by the Tech Gentleman today. It's another YouTube channel. My man Eric Kelly. I put his link down in the description. Shout out to him for getting me the cases over. They buy Supcase, so we just gonna go ahead and check them out. We're gonna go from the top to the bottom. They are for the Note 9. Got my Ocean Blue Note 9 on deck. I'm gonna start with the first case, Supcase. It's the Unicorn Beetle. And as you can see, it's military drop tested, things of that nature. www.supcase.com. This is the Unicorn Beetle, and like it says, perfect grip, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, and accurate cutouts. All the things you need on the case. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, pull the case out, and we get a thank you note. I'm gonna discard that. As you can see, this is a bumper case with a clear back, nice and clear. As you see, my hand hasn't changed, yellowish or bluish, and they actually got a stick on here to protect the case, I guess, in transport or while it's just in the packaging, because they don't want you to open it up to any scratches. Nice Supcase branding, nice cutouts, nice noise canceling mic cutout at the top, and as you can see, we got the cutouts for the camera and the fingerprint scanner. You see, you got a nice little power button, and you got volume up and down. Oh, this will be the Bixby button, I'm sorry. Got volume up and down, and this is the power button. And I like that they added some texture right here, so you know exactly where your Bixby button and your power button is, even though you're still probably gonna hit the Bixby button. So what I'm gonna do is remove the stickers. They got some tabs, as you can see on the inside, they got tabs. So at least I don't have to struggle. So a lot of times with these things, you'll be struggling if there's no tab involved. So y'all take a pause for the card while I get this tab. Boom. I've removed one sticker, and I got one more sticker to remove off the back. Okay, yeah, that's definitely crispy right there. Y'all see how crisp that is? Drop the Note 9 in. Oh, that's very appropriate. Very nice black and blue. Looking very sleek. All cutouts. All looking, like I said, precise. Got a little raised edge. So if you drop the phone on the flat surface, you got the case raised up, so the screen won't hit the ground first. It can save you from a cracked or shattered screen. So yeah, this is the Unicorn Beetle in black, Supcase branding, looking really good, and it feels really good. It's got a nice matte bumper to it that's got a nice little grip on it. So we went through that case. We're just gonna move on. We're gonna keep the video rolling for all intents and purposes, and we got the Supcase. This is the Unicorn. This is the TPU in black. So that was a transparent one. This should be a TPU case. Unicorn Beetle. Gonna get it up out the packaging. Okay, I'm liking this. I just dropped a thank you note, same thank you note from the last one. Now this is a little browler, thick TPU. I really like these cases with the matte finish and then the gloss highlights. And I like how you got the matte, the gloss, like around the outline of the cutouts for the camera and stuff, and the fingerprint scanner looks really good. And this almost looks like carbon fiber. I like this look a lot, really hot. And you got some hot Supcase branding right here at the bottom. So this case is pretty dope. As you can see inside, we got some, a lot of this texture on the inside is here for drop protection. Let's take a look at this box really quick, because that's something I didn't do. Perfect grip, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, accurate cutout. So that's for this case. And it is a a dope case right here. As you can see, drop protection stamp on the inside, some Supcase branding on the inside. Really nice black case. Like I said, I like the combination of matte, gloss, and then this carbon fiber look. It's really dope. We're gonna drop the phone in here. And black and blue, even though I would prefer a black phone, black and blue mix very well. This looks very nice. As you can see, I hope the camera's getting it for you guys. All the cutouts are very nice. And just like the other case, we've got some texture going on the Bixby and power button. I like the volume, the plus and the minus signs for the volume. Definitely a nice touch. So this is the Unicorn Beetle. This is the TPU, and this feels it's not a cheap, flimsy TPU. You feel protected. Certain cases you put on your phone, you feel them, you touch them, and you realize like this is not like having I might as well not have a case on at all. But this TPU material here is nice and thick, even though it doesn't add a whole bunch of bulk to the phone. It's still kind of minimal. It's not super minimal, but it's not making the phone much bigger at all. But you can feel the protection. You can feel the quality TPU material that Supcase is using here. So that was definitely dope. This is the Unicorn Beetle TPU. Taking the phone out. And last but not least, we got the big box on deck. We have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro in black. It's got perfect grip, 360-degree protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and you also get a belt clip holster, something different. So you could compare this to an OtterBox. Very, very rugged case with a holster. But I'm sure it's way cheaper than an OtterBox. Now I'll put the links for all these cases down in the description. Again, shout out to Eric Kelly, the tech gentleman, for sponsoring this video. As you can see, attention, before you open this package, please enter this link. Okay. I'm not watching the installation video. I'm going off of what I know. So let's take a look at this. This is about to get, the issue's about to get thick right here, y'all. Okay, got some more thank yous and some more notes. And we actually got a little installation card. But I think I can figure this one out. Okay. So what they want you to do is insert a coin into the corner, split the front and the back case entirely, snap front casing on the phone, slide into back casing, okay, boom. I got it. So this would be the front. This will go around the edges of the front. And what we got going on here, what we have going on here is actually a screen protector built in. So that's very dope. You got a screen protector built in. What you're gonna do, put the phone front and so, nice screen protector as y'all can see. It's very dope screen protector. Then place the back of the phone, and this is thick, man. This is some real rugged protection right here, because this thing itself is very feels like about 4 layers. We're gonna sit the phone down in here, and we're gonna just make sure, because this back piece has some rubber to it that locks into the front piece, and that's how we rocking. That is how we rocking. This is definitely some protection. I feel like my phone is protected. Got the S Pen, you got the covers, your speaker grill's open, you got covers for your ports like your Type-C and your headphone jack. You got those ports are covered. So very nice. And we got a built-in kickstand from what it looks like. Let's take a look at this. Nice little kickstand. Slides up and down. Nice little kickstand. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro right here. Super protection. Very protective case. Feel like your phone is. It does add some bulk. I mean, you're gonna expect that when you got this type of protection. Got some feet around here, so you don't scratch up the back when you sit it down. The case sits on the feet, but very nice as far as a protective case goes. As you can see, got a nice. I mean, this thing feels sturdy. It feels hefty. It doesn't feel cheap or cheesy at all. Just gonna sit your Note 9 down the head like so. Nice little clip holding it in place. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. And I was trying to see, but it is not. You can't use this out of box. You could use it as a well, it's already a kickstand, so you don't need this to be a kickstand. You know, out of box is the holster is a kickstand. Also, this doesn't have that functionality, but you have the kickstand right here on the back of the device. You know, you can set it up this way. You can set it up that way. You can set it up in portrait and landscape. So, this your man BG Tech Life. These are some very nice cases from Supcase. We got the unicorn beetles in the house, the TPU, we got the transparent one, the transparent back, and we got the Pro for some great protection. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Shout out to the Tech Gentleman for sponsoring this. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.